Determine y prime of 16 if y is equal to x raised to the 3/4 power. We know through alternate form that, in our case, y prime of a is equal to the limit as x approaches a of y of x minus y of a all divided by x minus a. So let's start off by determining what y of a is, which is really y of 16. So if we substitute 16 in, we would get 16 raised to the 3/4 power. We can take the 4th root of 16, which is 2, and then raise it to the 3rd power, which makes it 8. And now from here, we can use these values and substitute them all in. So we have the limit as x approaches 16 of x raised to the 3/4 power, that's y of x, minus y of a is 8, all divided by x minus 16. Now, this looks really complicated because we have a rational exponent for this x value. So let's actually think about using U-substitution to make it a little bit easier. We can assign u to be equal to x to the 1/4 power. If we do that, then x to the 3/4 power would be equal to u to the 3rd. Well, if I then have u to the 3rd minus 8, oh, that's a difference of cubes. I can actually work with that. Now we also have to get an x value here. So if u is equal to x raised to the 1/4 power, then x itself will be equal to u to the 4th. So the denominator will become u to the 4th minus 16. And I can simplify that by using difference of squares a couple of times. So let's actually do that as we simplify. So we're definitely going to have u squared plus 4, u squared minus 4. Okay, well, u squared minus 4 factors into u plus 2 times u minus 2, so let's do all of that all in the same line. U plus 2, u minus 2. All right, and now difference of cubes. Difference of cubes says that x to the 3rd minus a to the 3rd is equal to x minus a times x squared plus ax plus a squared. So then if we can double check this by redistributing the x and the minus a through to all terms, and we would simplify it again to x cubed minus a cubed. So if we use difference of cubes, in our case, u cubed minus 8, our a value will be 2, and we would still be using u instead of x. So we would have u minus 2, and then we would have u squared plus 2u plus 2 squared, which is 4. Now notice we can see that u minus 2 and u minus 2 cancel each other out, and we can rewrite it as u squared plus 2u plus 4 all divided by u squared plus 4 times u plus 2. Well, we're going to have to find the limit with x values here, so we have to convert it back into x values. So that is the next step in this process. So we're going to rewrite it again with the limit as x approaches 16, and we're going to put it back in terms of u. Well, u squared if u is x to the 1/4, then u squared will be x to the 1/2 plus 2, and then u is x to the 1/4 plus 4. And then the denominator, we are going to have u squared, which is going to be x to the 2/4 or 1/2 power plus 4. And then we're going to have x to the 1/4 plus 2. And now we can use direct substitution in order to simplify this. So if we substitute 16 in for x here, the square root, or the 1/2 power of 16, is 4, plus 2 times the 4th root of 16 is 2, plus 4, all divided by 16 raised to the 1/2 power, or the square root of 16, is 4, plus 4, and then we have x to the 1/4 power, or the 4th root of 16, which is 2, plus 2. So this is going to be equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4, or 12, divided by 8 times 4, which is 32. 12 and 32 are both divisible by 4, so it simplifies to 3/8. So that is y prime of 16 is 3/8, or answer choice B.